Are you tired of your Facebook friends seeing when you're active? In this video, you'll learn how to turn off the active status on Facebook. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says Settings and Privacy. And then select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the search bar and simply search for active status. After that, tap on the active status from the search results. So now, if you want to disable the active status on Facebook, simply toggle this off. Show when you're active. And a pop-up will appear, and it says Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. Just tap on Turn off. This is exactly how you turn off your active status on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.